Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about cylinders. A cylinder is a 3D object defined by its two connected circular bases. Now you can find examples of these all over your house, and I went ahead and found some. We've got a can of soup, canister of oatmeal, and my personal favorite, can of coffee. Now today we are going to find the lateral surface area, total surface area, and the volume of the cylinder that we've been given. All right, let's get started. Let's start by finding the lateral surface area. The lateral surface area is going to be the area in between the two bases. So using our coffee can here, it's going to be the area of the object, not including this and not including this. So it's going to be our wrapper here, basically. So we'll go ahead and look at our formula real fast. The formula for this is 2 pi RH, or the circumference of the circle, multiplied by the height of the cylinder. So the circumference is going to be the area around the edge of the circle. And then the height of the object is going to be the distance in between the two bases, so this right here. And we're actually given everything in our example here. So let's go ahead and work through it first by bringing down all of our variables and plugging them into the equation. So our radius given is 12 meters. Now the radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. And our height is 11 meters. So plugging that in, it's going to be 2 times pi times 12 times 11. And that is going to give you 264 pi, because we're trying to be as accurate as possible, so we're going to leave pi in there, meters squared, because the surface area is the amount of squared units you can fit on the surface of your object. Next up, we're going to find the total surface area. Now the total surface area is going to be, using our coffee can, the lateral surface area plus the area of the lid and the area of the bottom of the two bases. Now what's different with this is, instead of finding the circumference or the length around, you're going to find the area, or the amount of squared units that fits on the entirety of the bases. So it'll be lateral surface area plus area of the base plus area of the second base. And the formula for that looks like 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. Now, so we're going to go ahead and carry on our lateral surface area from the previous equation, which is 264 pi. And then we're going to find our radius of 12 meters, square that for 144 meters, and then we're going to plug that in. So it's going to look like 264 pi plus 2 times pi times 144, and then that's going to be 264 pi plus 288 pi. You'll take those two like terms, add them together, and then your total surface area is going to be 552 pi meters squared. All right, last up, we're going to find the volume of the cylinder. Now, the difference between volume and surface area is that on surface area, you're finding the amount of squared units that can fit on the surface of your object. The volume is what you can fit inside. Now, the formula for that is going to look like pi r squared h, which is the area of the base multiplied by the height. So let's go ahead and bring down our variables. The radius is 12 meters. Square that, you get 144 meters. And then your height is 11 meters. So plugging all that in, our equation is now going to look like pi times 144 times 11, which is going to bring us to 1,584 pi meters cubed, because with the volume, it's the amount of cubic units that you can fit inside of your object. Like imagine You just filled this with a bunch of really neat, perfect cubes. All right. And that concludes our lesson on the lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume of a cylinder. Thank you.